Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Shake, 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 shake over, shake.
Aishalon is a cancer survivor, and she is now a student at Armstrong Atlantic State University. She's majoring in engineering, and I am just so proud of her. I met her for the first time last year, and she's doing so well at Armstrong, and I'm just so excited and proud to be a part of her journey.
I want to say that I want to thank Ms. Dawn Baker and all of her contributors for contributing to my scholarship, because really it's already hard enough to pay for college, and along with medical bills it becomes harder. And something I wanted to say is that the best thing you can have is your health. Whether your money leaves or someone that you love leaves, let your health never fail. And I just want to say, just be thankful for that. Every day you have above the ground is a good day. So just look up and just thank God for every day that you have to breathe and live. Every day is an opportunity to change your circumstance, and I want to say it's been a pleasure to meet you all, and I want to give a round of applause for all of you here to support Ms. Dawn Baker and everything that she's doing.